bawat isa na in between mo.
Yeah.
Mga personal.
Yeah. Or yung views nyo lang, yung views. Naniniwala ba kayo?
Ako dahil naniniwala ako sa Tonka. Pero recently, pinag-isipan ko yan, is there such a thing as the one that got away? Parang, isn't it, we're here because we were put here and we were meant for something else. It's not the one that got away, it's an experience, I think. And, you learn from that experience. But, if you live with no regrets, then walang Tonka. Parang recently ko lang na-realize na hindi pala ako naniniwala sa the one that got away.
Diego?
I guess hindi pa huli lahat. If you feel like you have a thought ka, maybe that thought ka isn't really, hindi pa siya nag-get away. Maybe it's just not the right time. But if I'm applying it to myself, parang hindi. The other one is in between, no? With how I view it, in between. No, I really can't say. It just really depends on how the communication is between you and your partner. Otherwise, pretty much it.
How about the right,
Ako for the thought gun, ako, parehas tayo yung view eh. Like for me, it really is that person who probably broke you or helped you, but at the same way placed you where you are now. And kahit kung thankful ka or hate yung tao na yan, you're here because of that person. So yun yung bubog ng isang tao.
It's an experience, alright? The second question is, for you, how will you know if siya na yung the one?
I think hindi yan something na malalaman mo, something po yun na pipiliin mo. Siya yung pipiliin mo kasi wala naman po perfect na tao, ano ba yun, lahat ng ideals natin, lahat ng gusto natin in one person. Hindi tayo makakajapat at makahanap natin yun sa tao na yun. Pero, pipiliin mo po yung tao na gusto mong mahalin. Para, for me, love really is a choice. It's choosing that person, that changing person every day. Next week, ibang tao na yan, masama yung ugali niya next week. Pero love mo pa din siya. Hindi nababawasan yung pagmamahal mo. Hindi na kukulang yung pagmamahal mo. Kahit may konting pagkukulang siya, na hindi lang naman kasi sumasang-ayon sa mga paniniwala mo. So, syempre, iba-iba tayong tao, we have to accept na hindi lahat ng gusto natin ay makukuha natin. But, if we choose this person, and we learn to love this person sa kabila ng lahat ng pagkakamali niya, his past, kung ano pa yung future niya, nandun tayo, pinili natin, paninindigan siya. More than commitment, it's paninindigan.
I'm just really gonna add on to that. Yeah, kapag nawala na yung parang honeymoon phase, nawala na yung it's just attraction, and then you start seeing the bad sides, if there are bad sides of the person, or things you don't agree with, it's being able to go over those things and go past those hurdles and then be able to discuss it with your partner and move on from there. If you still choose one another. Kasi syempre after how many months, nawala na yung parang honeymoon feeling that everything's just so happy and jolly, and then you start seeing, okay, can I make it work with this person? And then from there you discuss and see where you end up.
Ako more of the communication, I guess, kasi first thing is attraction physical, and then after it's emotional, and then ano yung mawawala after that. So it's really the communication. You can talk about the most banal things or the deepest things. And that's also friendship, I guess, evolved to love. So parang, yun, ako importante sa akin ang communication. Mag-blend kayo parehas.
Thank you so much for answering the question. That is from Ms. Ana Cerezo, ABS-CBN. Thank you so much. And I think that's it. That concludes your Q&A. Thank you so much for all your questions.